Up until now, I've always used a Windows laptop to do my astrophotography. This has always come with several problems. One being I have to set up something in order to put the laptop near the telescope. You have to have a cable going from the telescope to the laptop, which often gets in the way, caught up, tangled, and starts pulling at the most unfortunate time. The other major issue that I've had is because my laptop has a touchscreen, any condensation gets on the screen, then it will cause the laptop to think that it's being touched on multiple occasions at once, and it makes it pretty much unusable. I have to do a hard restart in order to start using it again and clean off all the condensation. So I've always wanted a solution to this, something that would actually attach to the telescope and mean that I can take out everything in one go. It had to be lightweight. I wanted it to make the whole setup process nice and fast, and I came across Astroberry. Astroberry is a free open source operating system for Raspberry Pi that allows you to connect all of your astronomy gear to open source software like K-Stars and OGA Capture, and run it all off that without having any other software or hardware. And as you can see here, I decided to get a GPS module because one of the issues with the Raspberry Pi is it doesn't have a built-in clock. So with the GPS module, you get the location automatically synced on the Astroberry, but also you get the clock time always synced, so you don't have to worry or forget about setting it. The next thing I needed was to have a power source, so I got a portable power bank, a 3-amp one with USB 3 ports, because if you don't have enough power for the Raspberry Pi and a lot of the actual cameras, they won't work properly, or they'll shut down at odd times. So everything's 3-amp USB 3 right throughout this system. So if you're doing solar astronomy, make sure the shadow of your telescope is straight on, as you can see in this image here. That means you're looking directly at the sun. There's no need to have the finoscope or anything. You can usually lock onto the sun just by looking at the shadow of your telescope. And the Raspberry Pi seems to handle it fine. I use VNC Viewer on a Android tablet to connect to it. It's, as you can see here, I'm using OA Capture. Ignore the fact that the sun looks a little blurred. It's because it's shooting through clouds at the moment. But as you can see in this capture, it works just fine. As you can see in this video of the sun, it's worked beautifully. It's captured the sun nicely. There's been no real issues I've found with it. It seems to have all the same functionality you'd expect on Windows, as you get on Linux pretty much. This is the first time I'm using it, and I intend to use Astroberry from now on. So I probably will make another review at some point in the future. But if you have any questions, then please leave a comment. If you like this video, give us a like, and if you would like to see more astronomy videos, please subscribe. Goodbye and clear skies.